Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the Lightroom preset for mobile device. You can use the settings to get the moody kind of photo. As you just saw, some of the photos, the way how it looked was so different after using these presets. So you can achieve the same by using these presets. So just follow along as I teach you using the mobile device. All that you need is the Lightroom mobile free version, and I'm not using the premium features at all. So try this and let me know how things work for you. You might want to do some few other adjustments in order to get the best results in addition to the ones that I have told you guys here. By the way, join my friend zone where I will be sharing some exclusive content only with my friends who have subscribed or who have signed up. So go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit on that bell icon, and let's dive into Lightroom Mobile.
On the city lights, flashing bright in my eyes. Look up to the sky and I got this relief inside. Then there's no need to hide. I'm going all the way up. I'm going all the way up. I'm letting go in my heart of everything that holds me down. No. And it's feeling like I've been above. I can feel the love. Oh yeah, it's all around me. Oh, I need to know how I can make up, not afraid to fall. A parachute behind me. It's a clean slate, got a reason. The horizon is closer than it was. I will be there if you need me. I believe that we can grow. It's a clean slate, got a reason. The horizon is closer than it was. I will be there if you need me. I believe that we can grow. And it's feeling like I've been above. I can feel the love. Oh yeah, it's all around me. Oh, I need to know how I can make up, not afraid to fall. A parachute behind me.
So as you just saw, these are some of the simple steps that you need to do in order to get some amazing shots, and you can upload this on Instagram or any other social media out there. By the way, check out this playlist that I've created where you have another set of presets which you can create your own preset and save it on your mobile device and use it as and when you want. If you like this video, go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit on that bell icon because I'll be sharing many more videos of this kind. Stay tuned.